Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here, coming at you with another video. Guys, if you enjoy making money online, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, finance, anything along those lines, be sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm notifies you of all my latest content. So in this video, I want to go over something that beginners might not know about ClickBank. And this is something I think beginners should know because I think it will help them plan more accordingly when it comes to making money on ClickBank. So most people think you make a sale on ClickBank, you get paid. And that is true once you have at least 5 sales. So what am I talking about? Well, if you have a couple sales and you haven't gotten paid yet, what's likely happening is you haven't met the CDR, and that is customer distribution requirements, okay? Now, the reason ClickBank does this is because it prevents spammers from going and using their offers on affiliate to try and get the gravity score up so other people look at it. Basically, it's meant to prevent affiliate marketers from buying their own programs just to increase their gravity score. All right, that's the reason they do it. And what you have to do is you have to have 5 unique sales and you have to have at least 2 separate payment methods. All right, now the 2 separate payment methods is pretty straightforward. Most of the time they're going to be using one of these payment methods. I mean, there are some other options for people to pay, like cryptocurrency and things like that. But that's not a big deal because more than likely you're gonna get through one of this. But you have to meet 5 unique sales before you get paid. Now, that does not mean that you lose your money. You still get all the money you are owed. It just means you have to hit 5 sales. Now, once you do hit 5 sales and you meet the 2 payment requirements, okay, that essentially allows you to make money every week. Okay, after that goes, you could set it up so every week you get paid, or you could set it up for every interval of money. Like I have mine set up so for every $50, they send me a direct deposit. Okay, that's what I do. And that will change depending on how many sales you're doing and how many bank transfers you want going to your account and such. So that is just what CDR is. I thought I would make a video on that because if you're not getting paid by ClickBank, that is likely the reason why. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and as always, guys, I'll catch you next time. Have a great day.